Relax and learn English vocabulary through nature's beauty. In this soothing storytelling video, let the calming narration take you on a peaceful journey through forests, rivers, and mountains while discovering new words with meaning. This unique and immersive way of learning makes English feel more effortless. What you will learn in this video: beautiful nature, inspired English words, meanings explained in a relaxing way, a peaceful immersive storytelling experience, and last, improve English naturally with scenic visuals. The first golden light of dawn peeks over the horizon, painting the sky in soft hues of pink and orange. The air is crisp, carrying the faint aroma of blooming flowers. Birds begin their morning chorus, filling the silence with melodies as the world awakens. Word, chorus. A group of sounds or voices singing together like birds at sunrise. You step onto a narrow path winding through a lush green forest. The towering trees create a canopy above, their branches stretching out like a protective arms. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dancing shadows on the ground. With every step, dry leaves crunch beneath your feet, a gentle reminder that nature is alive all around you. Word, canopy, the highest layer of a forest formed by the tops of trees. Deeper into the woods, a meandering stream flows alongside the path. Its water crystal clear, reflecting the sky above. Small ripples form as tiny fish swim beneath the surface. The cool, refreshing sound of flowing water fills the air, a soothing rhythm in this quiet world. Word, meandering, winding and curving, not following a straight path. A sudden breeze whispers through the trees, making the leaves rustle as if they are speaking in a secret language. You close your eyes for a moment, letting the wind carry your thoughts away, bringing a sense of peace. Word, rustle, a soft crackling sound made by leaves or paper moving. The path leads you to an open meadow where wildflowers sway gently in the cool breeze. Butterflies flutter from petal to petal, their delicate wings catching the sunlight. The meadow stretches far and wide, a sea of colors dancing with the wind. Word, flutter, to move quickly and lightly like butterfly wings. Meadow, a field of grass and wildflowers often open and scenic. Sway, to move slowly back and forth like trees or flowers in the wind. As you walk further, the landscape changes. The ground becomes soft beneath your feet as you step onto a golden sand dune. The desert stretches endlessly, waves of sand shifting with every gust of wind. The air is warm, but the silence is comforting, a different kind of beauty. Word, shifting, moving slightly, changing position like sand in the wind. Dune, a hill of sound formed by the wind, usually found in deserts or near the ocean. Gust, a sudden strong burst of wind, shifting, moving slightly, changing position like sand in the wind. You climb to the top of a hill and look beyond. In the distance, the ocean shimmers under the afternoon sun, its surface reflecting endless shades of blue. The waves lap gently against the shore, a rhythmic song of the sea. Seagulls soar above, gliding effortlessly on the breeze. Word lap, to gently touch or move against something like waves on the shore. As the day turns to evening, the sky becomes a masterpiece of colors. Deep orange, soft pink, and hints of purple. The sun slowly dips below the horizon, leaving a golden glow across the water. Word glow, a soft warm light that shines gently. Finally, as the night falls, the sky turns into a vast canvas of twinkling stars. A crescent moon hangs above, casting a silvery light over the peaceful landscape. The world is quiet again, wrapped in the gentle embrace of night. Bird twinkling, a soft flickering light, like stars in the sky. You close your eyes, breathing in the fresh night air. The journey through nature has been a reminder that every moment holds beauty. Every sound has a story, and every word carries meaning. Love this topic? Hit that subscribe button and I will make more videos just like this to keep you learning and growing. Thank you.